Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Abir Hossain, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take mathematics class for class 3, and our today's topic is fraction. And my dear students, you know that today is the first class of your annual term syllabus, and for this reason there is no SW for you. And our today's topic is fraction, which is the new which is the new topic. Now we learn fraction. First of all, boys, fraction is a word. Fraction is derived from a Latin word fructus. Do you know what is the meaning of fructus? Fructus means broken. Fructus means broken. That means from the definition of fraction we can say fraction represents a part of a whole, or more generally any number of equal parts. That means fraction means whole part. Sometimes it means whole part, or sometimes it means equal part. Now look at the figure here. There is a pizza and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 slices. And if I divide these 6 slices among 6 persons, then it will be, this is the 1 slice for a person. From this we can write, here is total 6 parts, and one person gets 1 part. Then we can write he takes 1 out of 6. 1 out of 6. That means there is a part, and there is called the fraction, example of fraction. So here is the 1 part of 6 part. Now we can write 1 out of 6. 1 out of 6. So this is the definition of fraction and the example of a fraction. For writing fraction in mathematics, we can write this way. First of all, we draw a line and write 2 numbers. First one will be the above this line, and second one will be the below this line. The number which is the upper portion is called numerator, and the lower portion is called denominator. The upper portion is called numerator and the lower portion is called denominator. So total portion will be, or full portion will be the denominator here. So here it will be 6 is the total part. And how many parts does the man take? Here is 1 part. So 1 will be here. So it is 1 upon 6, or we can say 1 out of 6. So in general we can write fraction this way, 1 out of 6. Then if someone takes 2 parts, from this, if someone takes 2 parts from this, then total part is 6, and he took how many parts? 2 parts. Then it will be 2 divided by 6, and it is called 2 out of 6 or 2 upon 6. Similarly, someone can take 6 out of 6. Then 6 out of 6, that means the whole part of this picture, then it will be the full portion. and then for the full portion we can write 1. For the full portion we can write 1. Now look at the figure, this is a box and there is 2 sketched place. This is 1 and this is 2. Now how many parts here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In total here is 9 parts. And how many parts are sketched here? 2 parts is sketched. So 2 will be the numerator and 9 will be the denominator. In English it is said in words 2 nines. It is called 2 nines. Similarly, if I write the fraction 3 divided by 5, then it is called 3 fifths. 3 fifths. Then look at the next box. Here is also 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 part. So in total part will be the denominator, it will be 6. And how many parts are sketched here? 1. So 1 will be the numerator here. And this fraction is called in words 1 6. 1/6. Look at the head. When the numerator will be more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc., then the s will be added the next number, that is 2 nines 3 fifths. But if there is the numerator 1, no need to add s with the next word. That means it is 1/6, it will be 1/3, then it will be 1/4, 1/3, and it is 1/4. It is 1/4. So my dear students, we have already learned that a fraction is made with a numerator and denominator. Then if I write here is 2/7, so we can write 2 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. My dear students, hope you understood which is a numerator and which is denominator. Then boys, look here. Suppose Mr. A takes 1 part out of 6 and Mr. B takes 2 part out of 6. Then can you say which have taken the more portion? We can see here is 1 and 2 portion and here is 1 portion. So 2/6 is the greater than 1/6. So we can write here 2 divided by 6 is greater than 1/6. If I write 4 out of 6 and 3 out of 6, then which one is the biggest here? Here is the 4 is the biggest part. Similarly, we can write if here is a 7/8 and here is 9 and here is 5/8, then also 7 is the biggest number and 5/8 is the smallest number. Now we learn the fractional we have already learned the what is a numerator, what is denominator, which is the greatest fraction, and in words how can we say the fraction, and in word how can we say the 1 part of a fraction. My dear students, hope you understood the basic discuss of fraction. Read out your book about fraction, practice it at your home more and more. Next class we will discuss about how can we add fraction, multiply fraction, division fraction, and subtractional fraction. Till then, Allah Hafiz.